Hey you guys, it's Molly. I am going to work with a color palette that I have not worked with before. So I still have a bunch of Arteza paints. I'm still playing around with them. And I have to say, the pigments are just really, really gorgeous. So these are the colors: Pearl Copper Gold, I've never seen that before. Bordeaux Red, which is this dark maroon crimson red that's gorgeous. Olive Green, I've never worked with. And Van Dyke Brown, I have a hard time finding it unless I order it on Amazon here in Florida, unless I go to a Dick Blick, and that's like 45 minutes away. So that's my color scheme. I really like, I'm gonna do a Dutch pour on here. I really like the Arteza paints for a couple of different, oh, I had a hair on there, for a couple of different reasons. And then there's a couple of things that maybe aren't so great about them. One, for a good thing, the colors are gorgeous and they dry almost glossy, and I don't add any of my gloss medium in them. For another thing, like I said, the pigments are so bright in them. They're very creamy. Let me see if I can show you. So I start with 1:1, and I normally add a little bit more, but they mix up really, really well. Some people have said that they've had some cracking with them. I have not. I don't add a ton of water to them. And then the colors on the actual label aren't really true to color. So you have to actually open it up and look at it. But other than that, I'm really loving them. And the other downside is, let me fix my camera there a little bit. The other downside is cost. If you don't have the money to spend on them, then work with whatever you're working with. No one says you have to buy them. All right, so I'm gonna blow my white out. I've got my blow dryer up over on this side right now. Sides. So people have asked me as well, why do I keep that center right there? And you don't have to, by all means. The queen of these doesn't, but you guys know who I'm talking about. And hers turn out gorgeous. So I just like a little, and I'm probably going to blow this a little bit more, but I like a little bit of the color to kind of stick to the canvas there. So I'll move it in a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to start with Van Dyke Brown. First time using it in a pour. So I challenge you guys this week, try a pour with colors that you've never done before. Not that you haven't seen it before. I picked these colors off of Pinterest, but because I have a lot of boards of inspiring things on Pinterest if you want to check that out. But just try something that you've never tried before, like olive green. I've never worked with this either. I don't know if I'm gonna put a ton in there either, but and I think I want a little bit more red up there. Gosh, maybe just a touch more olive green. I don't know. No more brown, I know that. Then I'm gonna come in with the copper gold and a dash of white through there. Then I'm gonna come around it. Blow this way and then back out. Oops, I moved my camera. I almost, there we go. You know, my blow dryer was stuck to the ground. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay, so I don't know how this is gonna come out. Let me torch it real quick as well. Okay. immediately there's little cells that start to pop up. I don't know if they'll stay there or not, because I gotta blow some of it off, but there's a lot still piled up right here. I can see it, so I'm just gonna blow out just a little bit. I do like the color combination. It's very surprising to me. I do. I'm gonna have to come around because I don't want to get my boob in there, and then I'll show you guys the other side. So I might blow this out just a little bit more, but it's beautiful. I really, really like it. Oh my gosh, I just stepped all in paint. Oh, I don't even know if I want to show you guys my dirty foot. Oh, it's all in paint. But there it is. That maroon stayed. It's very difficult to, let me see if I'm on autofocus. It's very difficult to see. Get out of the light. But it stayed maroon, which is great. It did not turn to a pinky color. The Van Dyke brown is gorgeous. I am really, really liking this. Wow. Okay, let's hope that it dries good, because there's definitely a lot of paint that's right in here. So I'll see. Check out my social media if you want to see my dried results. So I've got my Facebook link, my Instagram. You guys message me. Let me know how you're doing. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to support my channel. That link is also down below so that I can keep making videos for you guys. And just thank you all around. Thanks for being here, for being my YouTube family. All right, you guys, let me know what you think. I am loving that copper. Look at all those cells that are in there. The olive green, I'm very surprised. You guys do a color combination that you wouldn't normally do. All right. Okay, you guys, this is how this dried. I'm inside, so the lighting's not great, but I hope that you can see that metallic that's coming through there. These colors stayed so bright. I really, really like it. The red stayed this like beautiful maroon color. Didn't get too pink on me. And the metallic is just, it's amazing. And I'm so excited. Oh, my thumb was, hi. My thumb was in the way. And I'm so excited because Arteza just sent me a bunch of their metallic paints, and I cannot wait to play. But anyway, thank you guys. You always ask about my dried results, so I wanted to show it to you here. And that is it. The sides. Oh, I love it. All right. Thank you guys. Happy painting. Bye.